Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get Sturdy Shodinja. This special Pokémon combines Shodinja's one hit point with the Sturdy ability, preventing one-hit knockouts from full health. Achieving this requires careful preparation and precise steps during evolution. We will cover everything you need to know to add this powerful Pokémon to your team. Before evolving your Nincada, gather your essential components. First, catch a Nincada and train it until it reaches at least level 20. Next, make sure your party has exactly 5 Pokémon, leaving 1 empty slot. Finally, confirm you have at least 1 regular Pokéball in your bag. These preparations are crucial for the next steps. Now for the critical moment. Level up your Nincada, perhaps by battling a wild Pokémon or using an exp. Share until it evolves into Ninjask. As Ninjask appears, Shodinja will simultaneously materialize in your empty party slot, consuming 1 Pokéball. This unique evolution sequence is what allows Shodinja to potentially gain the Sturdy ability, making it incredibly resilient. After the evolution, immediately check your new Shodinja's ability. If successful, it will display Sturdy. This means your Shodinja can now survive any single attack from full health, leaving it with 1 hit point. This incredible resilience transforms Shodinja into a formidable opponent, capable of enduring hits that would normally defeat it. Deploy it wisely in battles to surprise your adversaries.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.